Meanwhile, in a big outreach by the Modi government to allay farm affairs, the Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar reached out again to the agitating farmers, saying that he remains hopeful that farmers will come forward for talks and a solution can soon be reached. Tomar added that farm laws were made following a lot of deliberation, saying that several farmer unions have backed new laws, laying down the plan ahead. BJP MPs and ministers have been asked by the Modi government to reach out to farmers and remove farmer apprehensions. Tomar also said that on the 25th of December, 18,000 crore will be transferred to 9 crore farmers across India.
मैं पूरी तरह आशावान हूं कि हमारे किसान यूनियंस चर्चा करेंगे और हमने जो उनको आग्रह किया है सरकार की ओर से कि वो सरकार के प्रस्ताव पर क्या टिप्पणी करना चाहते हैं, उस प्रस्ताव पर क्या जोड़ना चाहते हैं, क्या घटाना चाहते हैं, वो हमको बताएंगे और कब उनको सुविधा है वार्ता करने के लिए वो तारीख और समय हमें बताएंगे। तो भारत सरकार पूरी तरह वार्ता के लिए उनके साथ तैयार है और मुझे पूरी आशा है कि जल्दी ही वो विचार करके निर्णय करके हम तक इसकी सूचना देंगे और हम तत्परता से उनसे वार्ता करेंगे और मुझे आशा है कि हम लोग समाधान की ओर अग्रसर होंगे।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार और स्वयं मोदी जी जो कि मुख्य सेवक हैं हिंदुस्तान को, वो किसानों को अन्नदाता और भगवान मानते हैं। अन्नदाता और भगवान हैं तभी हिंदुस्तान है। किसान मंत्री आदरणीय तोमर जी ने भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण अनाउंसमेंट्स किया है कि किस प्रकार 25 तारीख को सुशासन दिवस के अवसर पर लगभग 18,000 करोड़ रुपए 9 करोड़ जो किसान बंधु हैं उनके अकाउंट तक पहुंचेंगे।
My colleague Abhishek Anand joins us right now from the Ghazipur border for more. Abhishek, what is the consensus that you can see building on the ground in terms of talks with the government?
Well, Preeti, the number of farmers are steadily rising, continuously rising at this Ghazipur border. Now, the farmers from different parts of Uttarakhand and the western Uttar Pradesh also have joined this protest, and the farmer union leaders are sitting here. They are clearly saying that if the government wants to talk, they are ready to talk, but their only one and final demand is to repeal all these 3 laws. You can see new banners also here. There are ambulance services here. The entire setup of this temporary camp of farmers is actually a protest site with a lot of facilities. The farmers are here with makeshift tents, and there is a community kitchen also here. So the preparation of farmers is to stay here for as long as required to convince the government to roll back all the 3 farm laws. As far as the consensus is concerned, Preeti, the farmer leaders have one demand, and that is why they are holding meetings. The offer of the government has been accepted by the farmers leaders, but they are saying that their one final demand is to repeal all these 3 laws.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Abhishek. We're going to come back to you for more updates. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.